As the number of cases climbs, we know many of you are wondering about testing for the virus. Now the city is adding its own mobile testing site. News 4 Jax reporter Jim Piggott is joining us live at the stadium with a progress report on the city's effort. Jim?
Well, let me show you, Tom, what's happening behind me here. This isn't the city site going up. This is the federal government's testing site that's working along with the state. And they've been out here this afternoon putting up tents, getting ready for this mobile testing site. This should be open by the end of the week. At least that's what we're told. But details on how this is going to work is still up in the air. And then this afternoon, Mayor Curry was talking about a second site that's going to open up here in Jacksonville. This one is sponsored by the city. At this point, they couldn't tell us exactly where this is going to be. It's going to be a much smaller site than this. And what will happen is people will have to go online, make an appointment when to show up for the city site, and then they will be tested. They don't want everybody coming at the same time. They said that would create a mess. It would create a mess at the labs where all of this will be diagnosed. So this is what's happening. This is what Mayor Curry told us today about testing.
I know people have had some trouble getting through the health department, from what I've heard, long waits. We believe we're adding testing capabilities with the ability to do a virtual assessment on an app, and other hospitals are doing that as well, so that should alleviate that in the days ahead. I believe St. Vincent's has already stood one up, or is standing one up. We're working and standing one up with another group, and the federal government's bringing one here as well.
You know, lots of people have been asking about testing, where to go to do this. And so this could alleviate some of that, but there's still many, many questions. What's this going to cost? I asked the mayor that. It may not cost anything. It may cost something, but it is something that they're working on this point. And there is a question, since you have to go online to do this, what about those of us that can't go online, that maybe don't have internet access? And since the libraries are closed, that's going to create a problem. They're going to be addressing that shortly. We should be getting some answers tomorrow on all of that. By the way, St. Vincent's Hospital, they began their mobile testing today at their Southside campus. 57 people were tested today, and they're going to continue this Monday through Friday to keep that going on at this point. For now, we're live at the stadium. Jim Piggott, Channel 4, the local station.